First tonight, the tragic crash that brought down a pedestrian bridge.
Yeah, and the question, is this another sign of the desperate need for repair on our state's roads and bridges?
7 Action News reporter Jim Kirchner is live at the scene right on the Southfield Freeway. So what's the latest on the cleanup, Jim?
Carolyn, they made a lot of progress. Take a look behind me. All the debris is cleared. I am told there are some gouges that they will need to patch in the concrete, but the northbound side of the Southfield Freeway could be open within the hour. Southbound side, the other side over there, you can see all the debris. I'm told they're hoping to get that cleared out by nightfall tonight, so it'll be after dark. I have talked with an expert who works closely with the state. In fact, he's helping develop the future. This is a piece of carbon fiber that'll go into future overpasses. He says maintenance of overpasses, terrible statewide. He says if this had been a vehicle overpass, this would have been a much worse disaster. The good news is it was a smaller pedestrian overpass.
It's very simple math. He calculates the acceleration of the truck, let's say 55 miles per hour, the mass of the truck that will give you the force. This is much more than the weight of the bridge.
If you walk through Lawrence Technical University's engineering department, it's a look into the future. Better concrete, carbon fiber replacing steel cables for roads that are 5 times stronger and last 5 times longer. How do they know? They put it to the test, including in this huge kiln that can bake temps as hot as 9/11, the Twin Towers in New York City. Why is that important? Remember the 9-mile overpass on I-75 when a tanker truck blew up? The destruction may not have been as severe. This is a piece of overpass being replaced from Kent County, the Grand Rapids area. You can see the rebar on the inside is rusted and weak. Pieces of the exterior concrete have been given a Band-Aid fix, so it won't fall on us as we drive underneath. The doctor says MDOT has great engineers who know what they're doing, but they lack the most important component.
We need more funding to fix our bridges or build the new bridges. But the way that has been going on for a number of years will not last for long. Otherwise, you and I will suffer a big deal if this happened on a real bridge.
The doctor says the governor was in his lab at the university a few weeks ago, and he told the governor more funding is needed for stuff like this with the roads. We've all been saying that since the potholes emerged last spring. I'm live on Detroit's west side. Jim Kirchner, 7 Action News.
Jim, I don't know if you talked to him about this, but with all of the water and the flooding that we've had, I'm sure some of the bridges and overpasses are even in worse condition right now.
Yeah, he says the interior structures, those steel rebar, are already in bad shape. Don't be surprised if you see crumbling off of some of these overpasses. That's why they've been Band-Aid fixed. And he says the flooding just made the situation worse. You're exactly right.
Oh, boy. Okay, it's time to do the fix and get some money. Thank you, Jim,
Indeed.
for the live report.